It's me, Dasha, and welcome back to my channel. You guys know that I'm really into natural makeup style. But today I decided to compare two types of makeup on me. And I will make a comparison of American and Asian makeup style. Let's get started.
Okay guys, I start my makeup with a cushion. And I usually use light foundations. And after that, I use a concealer in the lightest shade. And with the help of the concealer, I covered the bags under my eyes, remove redness and highlight some facial areas such as forehead, my nose bridge, chin and the area under the eyes. In general, I want my face to be smooth and my skin tone to be even. And after I have applied a cushion, I use a concealer to hide some pimples or redness on my face with a small brush. And I don't usually use powder for this makeup because I like my face to shine a bit. But sometimes I use powder for the area under my eyes and a little bit on my forehead to make my face seem smoother. And I don't use bronzer or too much contouring for this makeup, so I only do the contouring of my nose. Then I use a highlighter and start doing my eyebrow makeup. And for this makeup I mixed pink and gold highlighter because I want to do this makeup in pink tones. And for this makeup I try to make the shape of my eyebrows more straight. It makes my face cuter. I use eyebrow gel in a lighter shade because the natural color of my eyebrows is black, so I make my face softer. And another important detail in that makeup is the special eye makeup. I especially like to use pastel, like pink shades and lots of shiny details. I really like this kind of makeup. I like it when my face looks sweet and fresh, I use mascara, but I only apply mascara to upper lashes. Then I use a peach blusher. I use quite a lot because I really like the way it looks. Okay guys, now I use a lip pencil to make my upper lip a bit bigger. And then I will do the gradient with peach and red lipstick. Well, my favorite makeup is ready. What do you guys think about it? Do you like this kind of makeup or not? Personally, I love it so much. I think this makeup makes you younger and cuter, and I especially like the eye makeup. I really like pink shades. And we are moving on to the next makeup. Let's go. So now I'm going to start a completely different makeup style for me. That means I'm gonna use a thick foundation and my makeup will be more sassy. So now I'm using that foundation to give my face a smooth look. And you know guys, I usually only use cushions because I like light coverage. So yes, it hits different. I use a bronzer for the whole face, and I also want to emphasize my cheekbones. Bronzer is the thing that I almost never use in my makeup. And then I use a contouring. I try to make my nose smaller. You've probably seen my video about how to make your nose visually smaller and how I do it. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I would like you to check this out. And I highlight the tip of my nose and my nose bridge, and I've seen this technique from American bloggers and it really works. I know it's a common thing in like American makeup, but I decided not to do baking, but just use some powder under the eyes and on my forehead as well. And guys, it's time for eyebrow makeup. The shape of my eyebrows will be more clear, and I'm gonna use an eyebrow pencil to make them look thicker. I curl my eyelashes and start the eye makeup finally. Usually I don't use dark shades in my eye makeup. I don't think it suits me and I don't really like it, but today I'm gonna use like mostly dark brown shades. And yeah, I decided to try that popular eyeliner look. Wow, that's crazy. And I've often seen eye makeup like this on my Instagram, and actually this was the first time I decided to repeat that kind of makeup. So I don't know if it looks good or not, lol. It was quite difficult, so I tried to focus and showed you the finished result right away. And I also decided to add shiny stickers, and my makeup is almost ready. Oh my god. And for this makeup, I will use mascara on the upper and lower lashes to have a more dramatic look. And before using lipstick, I apply a lip pencil to visually make my lips bigger. I want to use a brown lipstick, and it's a velvet matte lipstick. I think it fits well with this makeup. Guys, my makeup is done. Please write in the comments down below which of these makeup looks you like the most, and it will also be interesting to know what your favorite makeup style is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video very soon. Bye bye!